Today my video is about Windows Server, and I don't wanted to do Windows Server, but I have to do it for auto scaling because it is very difficult to create a auto scaling. I have to configure the instance a little bit. No, I need to configure the security group. Select an existing group, default one, all traffic, all HTTP traffic. Yep, this is looking good. Launch. Okay, so T2 variable. I need a security group, whole traffic. Yeah, okay. You are unable to connect to the instance. Port 339 is open the hyperscaler. Okay, so I'll go with the default group, auto scaling group. In order to show auto scaling, this is very easy to show with Windows. So default one, I'll go review and launch. I'll use the same key and I'll launch my instance. So now I can go to my instance. This is my instance which is starting. I'll start the video when the instance is ready. As you can see, my instance is ready. So what I like to do now is to connect to it. So I'll download this remote desktop, get the password. So the password not available. Okay, sorry, I need to connect to it. Now administrator, I downloaded this. How do we get the password now? Try again. Please wait at least 4 minutes after launching to retrieve the auto generated password. Okay, so again we have to wait. So I'll resume the video when 4 minutes is over. So as you can see, there is a get password here. So you go to get password, choose your key. So my key is in the key folder. Choose what key you need. PAM key you need. So this is my PAM key. I open it, decrypt the password. I got my password. Then I close this. As I downloaded this one, you go here. And then you connect. Take some time to connect. Remote access is not available. Remote computer is not available in the network. Why it is not available on the network? Connect. Okay, so I think the issue is with this security group. View inbound rules, all traffic, view outbound rules, all traffic, default and action. I can go to the inbound rules and check what are the inbound rules. Edit. So all traffic, I want to add a rule of all traffic is custom, so anywhere I can give, or I can give my IP. I'll give anywhere because this is a test machine. I don't need much of this, so give, and then there will be an outbound rules, and outbound rules also I'll give, not custom, anywhere. Save. So now as you can see, I have done the changes of my rules. This instance should able to start. Is my Windows instance. So I'll go to my downloads. I'll go here, directly connect. Admin, my password I have copied before, so okay, yes. Now it is connecting. Now I'm in the virtual machine. It takes a while to connect. So I'll pause the video as it's starting to warm up the Windows, and I will start working how to set up your Windows PC. As you can see, it is my Windows server. I'll go ahead and refresh it once. Then what I want to do now, to go to server manager. You shouldn't have started. Okay, dashboard, create add roles and feature. Okay, add roles and features, server implement data. Okay, quick start. Manage events, local server. Okay, dashboard, configure, comes to local server. You add roles and features. You go next. Installation type, role, basic installation, desktop server, remote. I'll go for this one. Selected type, I don't need this. Server pool, so I just have to go and select WebIIS. Add features. Next. HTTP redirect, I don't need all those stuff. Don't need this. Confirmation, install. So as it installing, I'm again going to pause my video as I don't have much minutes left. After the installation is finished, I will get back to you. As you can see guys, my installation is finished. Close it. So if I go to my Windows plus E, this PC, I will go to interput, then we'll go to www root. There are two files. I can open it here, so it'll show the basic page which we are going to view. Okay, this is the information schema, continue, close, and display. This is the page I'm going to view. So if I go to this URL now, which is this one, I should be able to check the view. Yeah, see. So this is how you create your Windows server. I'll talk about it more on auto scaling. So my main purpose of giving this video today, to show you guys how to do proper auto scaling. So in my next video, I'll try to teach you auto scaling as far as I can do it. Thank you. Hopefully you stay tuned in my channel.